In this lesson, we'll learn the small versions of the characters ya, you, yo. To start, what is this character? Ya. We can add a small ya to the end of any of these 12 characters. The small ya essentially removes the e sound and replaces it with ya. Kya, gya, sha, ja, cha, ja, nya, hya, bya, pya, mya, rya. Note that when we romanize these combinations, we don't include a y after sh, ch, or j. Kyaku, kyaku. Jagaimo, jagaimo. Omocha, omocha. What is this character? Yu. We can add a small yu to the end of these 12 characters. Again, the small yu essentially removes the e sound and replaces it with yu. Kyu, gyu, shu, ju, chu, ju, nyu, hyu, byu, pyu, myu, ryu. Kyuri, kyuri.週末、週末。留学、留学。What is this character? Yo. We can add a small yo to the end of any of these 12 characters. Kyo, gyo, sho, jo, cho, jo, nyo, hyo, byo, pyo, myo, ryo. Kyou, kyou. Shoyu, shoyu. Byoki, byoki.